Flossing. You haven't been flossing.
Get a job.
Escape to a world of color for each and every Game Boy game. New Game Boy.
Game Boy Color. Oh yes, let's get into it. One of my favorite Game Boys of all time, man. I'm sorry. Game Boy Advance SP, you're good, you cool, but Game Boy Color has a personal thing with me. Purple was not my first color. My first Game Boy Color was that lime green one, and I loved it. On the back, look like you have Wario, Legend of Zelda Seasons, or Ages, whichever the one, another Warrior game. Full screen color display, play over 450 games, action, adventure, puzzle, sports, role playing, and enhanced color, convenient compact size, built-in infrared communication part, batteries included. Now, the Game Boy Light had batteries included, but the original Game Boy didn't, because you was pretty much on your own. The Game Boy Color is just a dope handheld, man, in my opinion. And this is when it actually looks like back to how it originally was. Like, it don't look like some Home Depot hardware. It looks like an actual Game Boy. And here it is. You got the Game Boy Color itself. Man, don't just bring back memory, guys. Oh man. It's compact as a Game Boy Pocket, so it has the great size. And the best thing is that it has color attached to it. So guys, some buttons were moved around. For example, the power button is now on the right side instead of the top, because the top actually has this part right here. Now, I never really knew what that part was. You guys let me know. I think it has something to do with the color and the light and the contrast to actually adapt around the area. That's my opinion. I think that's what it's for. On the left side, you got your volume button, you got your link cable connection, you got your battery pack, and you got your directional pad, B, A, select and start. Now, the reason why I like this color purple is because you can actually see on the inside, kinda, like, just look. You got the speaker box right here, you can look at it. You got whatever this is. You can just look and see inside of it. Now, it may look ugly to you, but in person, it looks really cool. And also, the cool thing about the Game Boy Color is that it's in color. And also, when you play an original Game Boy, if you mess around with it, you can actually change the colors in the background. People who played it was like, yes, I remember that. Yes. Yeah, it's true. Alright, so I popped some batteries in it. We're going to turn it on. And as you see, a little bit of color right here. And the red is indicate the strong power. And if it goes dim, that means it's done. So now I'm going to put in Pokemon Blue in the original Game Boy game. Hold on, I gotta do it for you guys. Remember that? Gotta blow into it. Alright, so see, it's the original Game Boy Color. You can like change the color around it if you just dial it. So we're gonna play it in all blue and Pokemon Blue. Because it's blue. As you see, barely. Yes, as you see, everything's in blue except for Ash. You see, literally the whole game's in blue because I chose the blue color.